one neighbor turned into two neighbors. Neighbor turned into their best friend. And then before I know it, Corvettes and, Mustang, GT350s, Ferraris started showing up. From the moment you step foot onto our property, you're going to be treated with incredible customer service. We're going to show you some of the best techniques, some of the best products in the market, and we're going to listen to your needs and custom tune our detailing to hit or exceed the needs that you're looking for. The Grand Rapids people are dying to get their car cleaned correctly so it will stand up to the test of time. We're just not a detail shop, we're an experience.